Welcome to the class Creating a Blog Using Blogger. This is a class from www.digitalscrapbookingclasses.com. I'm Christy Haig, and I'll be your teacher for this session. The first thing you need to do is to go online and go to www.blogger.com. This is the welcome screen that will come up. Blogger is associated with Google, so if you already have a Google account, such as a Gmail account, you can go ahead and enter your username and password. If you do not have a Google account, no need to worry because they're going to let you set one up as you create your blog. So we're going to go ahead and click on Create a Blog. This is the page that will let you set up a Google account if you do not already have one. Go ahead and enter an email address that you have and a password, and don't forget to accept the terms and service down here before clicking continue. I already have a Google account, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in first. The next page that comes up is going to ask you to name your blog. So go ahead and type in this first box the name that you want for your blog. Mine is going to be Christy Haig Creations because it's going to be my scrapbooking blog. And then we're going to assign your blog a URL address. This is the address where people can find your blog online. So we're going to type something in the box, and the URL address will then be http:// whatever you type in the box .blogspot.com. They want you to check availability because there's a lot of blogs already online. Mine's available. If yours is not available, then you just have to change what's in this box until you find something that is available. And then for security's sake, go ahead and type in the letters that you see. There are advanced options below, but we're not going to worry about that, so we're going to go ahead and click continue. Third, we're going to choose our template. Later on, you'll get to learn how to customize your templates, but go ahead and look at the ones that are out here already. You can scroll down and see different ones that are there and pick the one that looks closest to what you want your blog to look like. Some of them have the profile and information on the left side. Other ones have the profile and information on the right side. I'm just going to stick with the Minima simple blog template, and I can customize it the way I want later on. And once you have the one selected that you want, click continue again. Congratulations, your blog has been created. You can go ahead and start blogging. Okay, this is the admin screen for your blog. You can see at the top the address that you are logged in as. And we're right now in the posting tab where you can post your entries. There's also a settings tab that will let you change different settings about your blog, and a layout tab that will let you customize the template that you picked. The first thing though that I want to show you is the dashboard. So we're going to click up here, and this is the dashboard. And this is where we can put information about ourselves on the blog for your profile information. So we're going to do that first. First I'm going to go ahead and edit my photo. I can put a picture of myself up. If you have a picture saved online, you can find it and enter the URL for it, or mine's on my computer. I'm going to go ahead and select the picture, and it will load the picture of myself on here. Now this is in the profile page, so you can see there's other profile options. There's privacy options and identity options. You should have a display name that you picked when you created your Google account. I'm going to add my last name here. And you can also enter all sorts of other information about yourself. I'm going to add a home page. This is a class from Digital Scrapbooking Classes that I own. So I'm going to enter that as my home page URL. And once you get all the information that you want entered, you can go ahead and save your profile. Now that we have some information on our profile, we're going to go back to the dashboard and we're going to type our first post. So you'll see this blue button right here. This allows me to type a new post, and it'll bring me back to the screen that we saw before in the posting tab. And I can enter a title for my new post. And then right in here I can go ahead and type what I want to type for my new post. And I can pick fonts that I want. This is font size. I can bold it or italics it. This will let me change the color. Later on I'll show you about adding links and images to your posts as well. You'll also notice that there are tabs here. We're in the Compose tab right now that simply allows us to type and add pictures and move things around. If you know HTML code, you can go and enter the HTML code in here, but for basic users we're going to stick with Compose. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my first post. Go ahead and edit it however you want. If you want to label your post, we'll get into some of those options later. That'll help you find things. But for the most part, you simply type it in and then save it if you want to go back and edit it later, or publish it if you want it to go right up onto your blog. So I'm going to publish it. Your blog post published successfully. Would you like to view your blog? And there you have it. This is your new blog. The title is up here at the top. The post that you just typed is visible. And on the sidebar, I have followers, blog archives. If I scroll down, I can see the picture that I uploaded, and a button where people can click to view the rest of the profile that I already put in. The blog looks pretty plain right now. If you'd like to learn how to customize it, how to add maybe a graphic up at the top, or change the spacing of things, or add links down the side, change the background color or the text color, all of those kind of things, you can join us for our class at www.digitalscrapbookingclasses.com. We're going to be offering a free class where you can learn to customize your blog starting on May 4th, 2009. You just need to head over to the website at www.digitalscrapbookingclasses.com to sign up.